Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Monzo to Barclays. First, open the Monzo app and tap Payments. Next, select Bank Transfer. If it's your first time, add Barclays as a new recipient by entering the sort code, account number, and account name. Monzo will verify the details automatically. Once Barclays is added, enter the amount you want to send and tap Send. Most UK transfers are processed instantly using faster payments. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Monzo to Barclays quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.